Does the thought of spring cleaning fill you with dread? Today, I'm sharing 5 of my favorite cleaning hacks. Each only takes 5 minutes. These hacks use simple, natural ingredients you likely already have in your home. Imagine banishing clutter and grime, leaving you with a clean and serene space. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. ***. Click the link below to check out our free community, Made for Women, and get your free copy of our cleaning checklist today. Our kitchens are often the heart of our homes, so let's start by bringing a little sparkle to your sink. First, sprinkle baking soda generously around your sink basin, paying extra attention to any stained areas. Baking soda is a gentle but effective cleaner. Next, dampen a sponge or cloth and gently rub the baking soda, creating a paste. The paste will lift away stubborn stains and leave your sink feeling smooth. Now let's add some shine. Pour a small amount of white vinegar onto your cleaning cloth or directly into the sink. Use your cloth to spread the mixture, ensuring it coats the entire sink. Allow the mixture to sit for a minute or two, then rinse thoroughly with water. The combination of baking soda and vinegar not only cleanses but also neutralizes odors, leaving your sink sparkling clean. Now let's move on to another area of the kitchen that often requires attention: the microwave. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water, then slice a lemon in half and add both halves to the bowl. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat on high for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the water boils and the microwave window steams up. Once the timer goes off, keep the microwave door closed for a few additional minutes to allow the steam to work its magic. Then, carefully remove the bowl, use oven mitts, it will be hot, and wipe down the interior of the microwave with a damp cloth. The steam will have softened the stubborn food particles, making them a breeze to wipe away. Your microwave will be sparkling clean and free of lingering food odors. Now that our sink and microwave are sparkling, let's turn our attention to the countertops, which see a lot of action throughout the day. Fill your sink with warm water, adding a small amount of dish soap. Dish soap is gentle yet effective at cutting through grease and grime. Dip a microfiber cloth into the soapy water, wring it out well, and then use the damp cloth to wipe down your countertops. Pay attention to areas that tend to attract crumbs or spills, like around the stove and sink. You can also use this opportunity to wipe down your backsplash, as it often collects splatters during cooking. Once you've wiped down all the surfaces, rinse your cloth thoroughly and wipe down the countertops once more to remove any soapy residue. Finally, buff the countertops with a dry microfiber cloth for a streak-free shine. Moving on to the bathroom, let's banish those pesky watermarks and smudges from your mirror. Fill a spray bottle with a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar. Spray the mixture onto your mirror, ensuring it's lightly coated. Then, using a microfiber cloth, wipe the mirror in circular motions, paying extra attention to areas with stubborn smudges or watermarks. You'll notice the streaks and smudges disappearing right before your eyes. The vinegar breaks down dirt and grime, while the microfiber cloth ensures a streak-free finish. Let's end our cleaning journey with a simple yet effective hack for a sparkling clean shower head. Over time, mineral deposits from hard water can build up, clogging the nozzles and reducing water pressure. Fill a small plastic bag with white vinegar, ensuring there's enough to completely submerge the shower head. Carefully place the bag over the shower head, securing it with a rubber band. Allow the shower head to soak in the vinegar for at least an hour, or even overnight for best results. The vinegar will work its magic, dissolving mineral buildup and leaving your shower head clean and free of clogs. After soaking, remove the bag and discard the vinegar. Turn on the shower to flush out any remaining vinegar or mineral deposits. You'll be amazed at the difference. Congratulations! You've successfully refreshed your kitchen and bathroom in just a few minutes using simple, natural ingredients. By incorporating these quick and easy hacks into your routine, you can enjoy a sparkling clean home without sacrificing precious time. Give these hacks a try and experience the joy of a clean and organized space. If you enjoyed these cleaning hacks, be sure to subscribe to The Big Sweep for more tips and tricks on simplifying your life and creating a tidy and joyful home. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll see you in the next episode.